If you are ready to start sewing for spring, Simplicity new spring collection is now live on simplicity.com, and we're so excited to share with you all some of the new styles, starting with Simplicity 9745. This is a Mrs. Slip dress in 3 lengths. It is sewn using woven fabrics, and it is available in sizes 8 through 26. Next up in our new collection is Simplicity 9752. This is a 1-hour project. It's women's knit skirt and pants in 2 lengths. The styles on this pattern are sewn using knit fabric, and they are available in sizes 20W through 38W. What we really love about this is it's also available in Mrs. sizes. So if you love the views on the women's, it's also available in Mrs. And again, as you can see, it's a 1-hour project sewn with knit fabrics. These styles are going to take you all the way through spring, summer, and fall. Next up in our new collection is Simplicity 9757. This is an easy to sew pattern featuring a Mrs. top and skirt in 2 lengths. It is a high mock neckline on the tops, and some of the views do feature a ruching detail. Next up in our new collection is Simplicity 9742. This is a Mrs. dress pattern, and we are in love with all of the variations on this dress. It features so many amazing details from collars to gathers. It is a button-up dress with princess seams as well as pleats. It's available in sizes 4 through 20. Simplicity 9743 are the same exact patterns, but they are available in women's sizes, and we're so excited to be able to expand to offer sizes now up to 38W. So if you love those same styles on the Mrs. pattern, be sure to check out the women's pattern for sizes 20W through 38W. Next up is Simplicity 9756. This is a Mrs. and women's shirt, pants, and halter top. This just screams vacation, and we are so excited to see everyone's making this. We believe it's going to be really popular. It's in sizes 10 through 28W. Next up is going to be your go-to spring and summer dress, and that is in Simplicity 9746. This is a Mrs. dress. It's easy to sew. We're really loving it. It has an elastic waist. It is a tiered dress, one shoulder detailing, and it's available in sizes 6 through 24. Next up is Simplicity 9755. This is a Mrs. top, skirt, pants, and shorts pattern. We are so in love with the button belt detail on the pants as well as the shorts in this pattern, and this is available in sizes 6 through 24. Next pattern in our new collection is Simplicity 9747. This is a Mrs. Duster pattern, and this is going to be fantastic for spring and summer. This pattern is sewn using woven fabrics, and it's available in sizes 8 through 26. The next pattern that's available now is Simplicity 9744, and this is a Mrs. dress pattern, and we are again loving all of the different variations on this pattern. It features a half button placket, inverted box pleat, as well as side pockets, available in sizes 8 through 26. Next up is Simplicity 9740. This is a Mrs. knit dress in 2 lengths by Mimi G. It's available in sizes 4 through 20. And it's also available in sizes 20W through 38W. Pattern number for that is 9741. Next up in our new collection is Simplicity 9758. This pattern is by Norris Dantifor. It's a men's shirt and short set. Our next pattern in the new collection is Simplicity 9749. This is a Mrs. Tops pattern, and we are in love with this pattern and all the possibilities for it. As you can see, the different detailing that it has is sewn with woven fabrics, available in sizes 8 through 26. Next up is Simplicity 9753. This is a Mrs. Pants pattern. These trouser pants have front pleats, contour waistbands. They also feature a fly front zipper closure and a single welt back pocket. They are available in sizes 4 through 22. This collection also features reprints of amazing vintage styles for children as well as for the whole family, and crafts, as well as costumes. Head on over to simplicity.com and check out this entire spring collection now.